children, welcome to KVS Guru. మీకు నాయుడు సార్, లక్ష్మణ్ నాయుడు సార్ వైజాగ్ నుంచి మీ అందరికీ చాలా చక్కని ఆన్లైన్ పాఠాలు చెప్తున్నాడు. మీ అందరికి ఎంతో ఎక్కువ జ్ఞానాన్ని పంచుతున్నాడు. నిజంగా ఈ కోవిడ్ సమయంలో ఇలాగా పాఠాలు చెప్పడం అనేది ఒక గొప్ప విషయం, ఒక గొప్ప సర్వీస్. ఈ దేశానికి ఒక స్టాండర్డ్ పిల్లర్. ఏదైతే మనం జ్ఞానం అనుకుంటామో ఆ జ్ఞానాన్ని మన నాయుడు సార్ మీ అందరికి ఇస్తున్నాడు. సార్ లక్ష్మణ్ నాయుడు సార్, వెల్కమ్ టు కేవీఎస్ గురు. మీరు ఇంకా మీ క్లాస్ ని స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్, ప్లీజ్.
థాంక్యూ సార్, థాంక్యూ అర్జున్ సార్.
యా,
ఓకే. yes, థాంక్యూ. Yes, good evening children, welcome back to today's session. That is 9th class topic, linear equations in two variables. Yesterday we have started how to draw the graph for a linear equation that we have discussed, and in that some points regarding how to draw that, and we have discussed a few questions also, general question and verbal form of the question also. So today we will continue directly to the problems. Directly we will move to the problems, children. So yesterday we have completed the example problems. Today we will move directly to the exercise problems, that is exercise 6.3 we will move. So children, observe clearly here. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations. Here are 4 linear equations are given. We have to draw the graph for all this. In this, I am going to select any two to explain for you, and remaining 2 you can complete. I am selecting 1 and 3, children. So if we want to draw the graph as we have discussed yesterday, we need the points which satisfies the graph, that is. So some solutions we want. So I'm going to consider the first one. Let us observe. Here is the graph actually. So before drawing the graph, we need the points, that is. So to this, I'm going to take the first one. Let us try to consider the first one here. This is 2y is equals to minus x plus 1. Is it, children, is it visible to you all? I'm going to take the first one. Yes. Yes, so we will continue that. Here the first one is 2y is equals to minus x plus 1. This is. So to this, again like yesterday, I am going to take the first one as x value, second one y value. What is the value of y means? We know that it is equals to minus x plus 1 whole divided by 2, and here the point x comma y. Yes, children, here like the previous, let us try to consider x value something 0. Likewise, let us try to consider the x value something. So first I am going to take the x value minus 1 here. Observe, children. Here upon taking x value minus 1, minus of minus 1, which will be plus 1. So 1 plus 1, this is 2 by 2, which will be equals to 1. So the point will be equals to minus 1 comma 1. Yes, children, I think on the screen, I think one label it is appearing. Just I will check it and I will continue the children.
Hello, Vajra sir. Hello. One minute, children. 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Sir, ఒక్కసారి స్క్రీన్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. Okay, children. Okay, we will continue and sir will look after that. Yes. Sir, Vajra sir. Hello. Sorry for the disturbance.
Screen में आगట్లేదు. Okay, children. So we will continue that. I think some pop-up box is appearing on the screen. That is here. It is not coming for me, but for the screen which it is in the live, it is coming. Sir will adjust. In the meanwhile, we will take the points. And again, so I'm going to take this time 1. Let us take. So since it is by 2, is that if you take 0 fractions, you will get. As I said yesterday itself. So better to avoid the fractions. So y is equals to -1 plus 1, which will be 0. 0 by 2 will be equals to 0. So the answer will be 1 comma 0. And next one, let us try to take x value 3 this time. So y will be equals to -3 plus 1. -3 plus 1 is -2 by 2, which will be equals to -1. So the third point is 3 comma -1. I think now for the first equation, we got the solutions. And let us try to write on the graph sheet. That is, first I'm going to write on the graph sheet. This is, this point is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Here this is origin 0. This becomes -1, -2, -3, -4. Here upside positive x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here, and downside negative axis -1, -2. Now the graph is ready. Here we have to plot this. Before that, we have one more, I think we have left. So both we will continue at a time, so that I am going to take the point for the second one also. What is the second one? Third question I want to explain. 3x plus 5y is equals to 15. Here the value of x here, this is y is equals to this. I am going to -3x, let us substitute, transpose and divide it with 5. So 15 minus 3x whole divided by 5, and this point becomes x comma y. I think children it is clear. Now let us try to consider few x values. So I am going to take x value first 0. Let us take x value 0. 3 into 0 will be 0. 15 minus 0, 15, and y is equals to 15 minus 0 by 5, which will be equals to 3. So the first point is 0 comma 3. This is. And let us try to consider x value some different value. So if x equals to next I am going to take x value as some plus 5. Let us try to take x value plus 5. If you take x equal to plus 5, 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 will be equals to 0. So y is equals to 0. So the point will be equal to 5 comma 0. And if you can take x value minus 5 also, which you can get, but we need a few points, that is enough. So let us try to consider, otherwise this is minus 5 as we know that, and we will minus 5, which will be equals to minus of minus 5, which will give minus plus 15. So y will be is equals to 30 by 5, which is 6. So this is minus 5 comma 6. And this point again I am going to represent here. This is minus 5 actually. Why? Because we are taking. So on x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit we have taken, and on y-axis also 1 centimeter 1 unit we have taken. Now I am going to plot the points for the first one. Observe children. Now I am going to plot with the black one. Let us observe here. This is minus 1 comma 1. X value is minus 1, y value is 1. So this is the point. And next to 1 comma 0. X value is 1, y value is 0. This is the point. And x value is 3 and y value is minus 1. X is 3 in positive direction. Y value is minus 1. So these are the 3 points. This is the point which it is minus 1 comma 1, and this is 1 comma 0, and this point is 3 comma minus 1. I think these 3 points are clear for you children. Now use the scale ruler and let us try to join this all by using the scale. Let us observe children here. If you can observe, there is a straight line. So this line is passing through this, and this it represents the given equation. What is actually the given equation? As we know that which it is equals to 2y is equals to minus x plus 1. I think it is clear, children, for you everyone. And we have one more line we have to represent, and I am going to represent on the same graph sheet only, so let us try to plot the points here. 0 comma 3, x is 0, y is 3, so this will be the point. X is 0 and y is 3, this is the point. And 5 comma 0, x value is 5, y value is 0, so this is the point. And next, minus 5 comma 6, x value is minus 5, y value is 6. Here this is the point. So if you can observe, this is the point. Now again let us try to observe, this is minus 5 comma 6, and this is 0 comma 3, and this is 5 comma 0. Now again the same method, let us try to take the ruler and join this using the scale, then you will get the graph. Observe, children. So I'm going to draw the line here. This is, so this will be up to here we have drawn. We can able to extend up to any point also. So this will be the second graph, which it represents the given line 3x plus 5y is equals to 15. I think it is clear, children. So to draw the any straight line, actually if 2 points are, if you have, then it is possible to draw the line. But what I will suggest is at least 3 points you can take, minimum 3 points or more than that, then definitely you will get the graph correctly without any deviation, that you will get the graph. I think children, it is clear for you. And in the first Roman, and 2 more questions I left, actually second and fourth. So I am leaving for you after completion of the class. Please try to complete the 2 questions, and if you have any doubt, let us raise in the chat box. Definitely, if possible, I will explain. Suppose if any difficulty if you face in drawing the graph, or if you did not get the solution, you can chat, you can write on the chat box, then definitely I will explain once again. I think it is clear, and we will move to the next question, children. I am moving. Yes. Draw the graphs of each of the following linear equation and answer the following question. Before answering this question, children, yesterday at last I have used one GeoGebra worksheet. మీకు ఒక GeoGebra worksheet ఉపయోగించి చెప్పడం జరిగింది. మీకు అందరికీ గుర్తుందో లేదో. Y is equal to x, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 4x, like that. And similarly, y is equal to minus 2x, minus 3x, minus 4x. Like these graphs I have shown on the graph sheet. And from that some inferences, కొన్ని conclusions కూడా మనం రాబట్టాం. Y is equal to mx format of all the lines will passes through origin. అంటే y is equal to some coefficient into x something. ఆ రూపంలో ఉండే ప్రతి రేఖ ఆది బిందువు గుండా పోతుంది. And next, one more point we have concluded. If the coefficient of x is positive, that means like in the question, x is 1, x is 2, and x is 3, then those lines passes through Q1 and Q3. Yes. And if m is negative, that means the coefficient of x is negative, ante x yokka gunakamu runatmakamaithe, then all such lines passes through 2 and 4 and again through origin only. So that is, and we will draw now today practically. Yesterday I have shown you on the GeoGebra worksheet. Now we will. So to this again I am going to take the first 5 tables. I am taking. Why? Because all the 5. So first one, which it is y is equals to x. It is simple. Here x, and this is y, and x comma y, which it is simple. I am taking x, let us take minus 1, then y will also be minus 1. Why? Because x and y both are equal. Then what is x comma y? Minus 1 comma minus 1. And now x value, let us take 0. If you take x value 0, y is also the same 0. Now the point will be 0 comma 0. And if you take x value as plus 1, now x is equals to y. X and y are same. Therefore, y will also be equals to 1. Then that point becomes equals to 1 comma 1. Now for y equal to x, we got 3 solutions. Now in the same way, I'm going for the second one. Y is equals to 2x. Here you can observe, this is again x, and this is y is equal to 2x, and this point is x comma y, children. Again the same way, x again minus 1 I am taking. Observe, children. If you take x equals to -1, 2 into -1, which is -2. So y will be equals to -2. So the point becomes equals to -1 comma -2. And if you take x value 0, 2 into 0, that is y. So y will also be equals to 0. So the answer or the solution is 0 comma 0. And now x value, let us take +1 this time. 2 into 1, which is also 2. So y value is equals to 2. So the point becomes finally 1 comma 2. So we got the solutions for y equal to 2x also. Now in the same way, children, let us try it for third one. Now this is y is equal to -2x, and here I will write x, and y is equal to -2x, and this is x comma y. Now x again, like the -1, 0 and +1 only I am taking. Now children, it is your turn. What is the y value if x equal to -1? Very simple. You can give the answers all the three at a time. For third question, children, please respond. X equal to -1. Yes, 1 comma 2. So Nani Kantu has given, Abdul Salim Gangotri has given, yes, Ashwini Dasari, Kalesha Wali, yes, and Yashwant Kumar Royal, Govardhan Lucky, yes, all the children, but Goa Shruti, you have done small mistake. Oh, sorry. Yes, correct only. -1 comma 2, that is. So y value will be is equals to -2 of -1, which is equals to 2. So the point will be -1 comma 2. And similarly 0, if you can place y again 0, -2 into 0. So which is 0 comma 0. And now if you place 1 here, -2 into 1, which will be equals to -2. So the point will be equals to 1 comma -2. And similarly, I am going for the fourth one quickly. So y is equals to 3x this time. This is x and this is y is equal to 3x, and this point is x comma y. Again in the same way, like -1, 0, 1 only I am taking. Why? Because all these graphs I am going to draw in one sheet only. That's why. So again, children, it is clear, and try to give the answer. If x equal to -1 is how much? And x equal to 0 how much? And what are the three solutions? When x value is -1, 0, and so 1 is 0, 0, and yes. And then so for the question y equal to 3x, I am asking. Children, please respond quickly. Yes, 0, 0 is 1. Well done, very good. And -1 comma -3, yes, very good. That is also 1, and 1 comma 3, yes. So Gangotri has given all the three solution, and few are giving one solution. Well done, children, very good. So quickly I am going to do this one. Y is equal to 3x, 3 into -1, which is -3. So -1 comma -3. And let us substitute in the place of x 0. So y will be equals to 0. So the point will be 0 comma 0. And let us substitute x equal to 1. 3 into 1, which will be y is equals to 3. So finally the point will be 1 comma 3. Now we have one more equation is left. Y is equal to -3x. So in the same way, but alternatively plus and minus sign will be x. Y is equal to -3x and x comma y. Now x value again as usual -1, 0 and 1. So y is equal to -3 of -1 plus 3. Y equal to 0, 3 into 0, which will be equals to 0. -3 into 1, which will be equals to -3. So the points are -1 comma 3, 0 comma 0, and 1 comma -3. Now we have all these points, and in the next page I am going to plot that, so I can able to remember the points, so that I can able to plot that. And children, I think this is the way you have to take minimum 3 points or the 3 solutions which satisfy the given linear equation. అంటే ఇచ్చినటువంటి దత్తరేఖీయ సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరిచే ఏవైనా 3 బిందువులను మనం ఖచ్చితంగా కనుక్కోవాలి. ఆ 3 బిందువులని మనం తలం మీద గుర్తిస్తే ఆ బిందువులు గుండా పోయేటట్టు సరళరేఖ మనం గీయొచ్చు. ఆ సరళ. Now I'm moving that. So here is the graph. I will draw this one, and first of all, on x-axis and y-axis I am going to denote the first one. 1 centimeter, 1 unit only I am going to take, and here the points are, this is 1, children, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is origin 0, -1, -2, minus 3, minus 4. This is on y-axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this is minus 1 and minus 2. This is positive x-axis and this is negative x-axis. This is positive y-axis and negative y-axis, and the scale is 1 centimeter 1 unit on both x-axis and y-axis. Now, as I know the points, I am going to represent the first one. Children, observe that. The first one is minus 1, minus 1. This is, and 0, 0, and 1, comma 1. These are the 3 points. Observe, children. Minus 1, minus 1. This is minus 1, minus 1. 0, 0, 1, comma 1. Now, we can able to draw the line which it is passing through these points. That will be the y is equals to x line. Let us observe the children. That is, so this is the line which it is passing through these 3 points, and the name of this line is, I am going to write here, y is equals to, here, y is equals to x. This is the graph. Children, I think it is clear for you everyone. This is one point and this is another point which it is. So since 4 lines in one graph I am drawing, that's why I'm not denoting the points. I'm indicating the point, but I'm not writing specially. So the first y equal to x is clear. Now next y is equal to x. In that 0 is 0 is okay. 1, comma 2 is the point. This is 1, comma 2, and minus 1, comma minus 2. So y is equal to x value. If it is minus 1, this will be the third point. As previously I did the points, children. So these are the 3 points now. This, by joining this, you will get the, observe children, here these are the 3 points. Let us join using the scale. Observe carefully. So this is the line which it is passing through these 3. So this line I am going to name it as y is equal to 2x. And next one is y is equals to, I think, minus x, I think. Yes, we will move to the previous one. So y is equal to minus 2x, and yes. Yes, up to here we have finished. Children, observe this. And now y is equals to minus 2x now. Y is equal to minus 2x means x 0, 0 is common for everyone. Minus 1 means it is plus 2. And if it is plus 1, x value is minus 2. So these are the 3 points. This is 1 point, and this is 1 point, and this is 1 point. Now let us plot these points and join this. Observe, children, you will get a straight line like this. This is the line. So this is the line which it is y is equals to minus 2x. Next, y is equal to 3x. Next line is 3x means x0, y0. x1 means y3 will be 1, 3. This is the point. This is, and x minus 1, that is I think minus 3. So that point I am not taking. So we need 2 points, so that I am going to join using this. So this will be the line. Observe, children. This is the line which it is passing through these 2 points, and this line will be y is equals to 3x. And finally, one more we have. What is that? Y is equal to minus 3x. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If it is minus 1, x value is plus 3. If it is plus 1, x value is minus 3. So I am going to take these 2 points only. Enough. So by joining these 2 points, we can able to draw the graph. So that, let us observe, children, once again. This is the graph which it is passing through these 2 points, and this graph is equal to y minus 3x. Now I think it is clear for you everyone, all the graphs. So y is equal to x, this is y equal to x, and this is y equal to 2x, and this is y equal to 3x. Now these 3 graphs, all the graphs are passing through this. Now from this, a few questions are asked. Observe, children. Here are the questions. Observe. What are the questions? The first question, again, I am going to take the first question. What is the first question? Are all these equations of the form y is equal to mx, where m is a real number? Is all the equations are in the form y is equal to mx? Anni rekulu y is equal to mx రూపంలోనే ఉన్నాయా? m real number. Yes, all the lines are in the form. All the lines are in the form y is equals to mx only. Yes, all the lines are in the form y is equal to mx, and where m is a real number. That's all. And again we have second question. Are all these graphs passing through origin? And it is very clear, children, this is the point which it is origin 0, 0. No doubt at all, every line is passing through the origin. Yes, all the lines passing through origin. Yes. And now the next one and the third question, it is, what can you conclude about the graphs? What can you conclude about the, what point you can conclude finally? Yes, we have discussed. All the lines are passing through origin, and if m is greater than 0 in that, if m is greater than 0, children, observe carefully. So that is, if m is greater than 0, y is equal to mx lines passes through q1 comma q3. Observe that this is 2x, 3x, x, all are positive. So all are passing through 1 and 3 quadrants, and as we know that every line is passing through origin, but if m is positive, those lines are passing through q1 and q3. And if in this only, if m is less than 0, then y is equal to mx lines passes through which two quadrants? So this is the quadrant. As we know that this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, and this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So if m is negative, -3 and -2, observe children, these two are, this is -2x and this is -3x. So these two are the graphs, and these two graphs passing through q2 and q4. So these are the observations we have observed from the graph after drawing this. I think it is very I think it is understandable to you all. మీకు అర్థమైందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. So it is important as per examination concern. So they will give all the 5 lines and they ask to draw, and conclusion also these questions that they will ask. So once again, finally I am reminding, all these lines are in the format of y is equal to mx. All y is equal to mx lines are passing through origin, and m is positive passing through q1 and q3, and m is negative passing through q2 and q4. That is, అంటే అన్ని రేఖలు కూడా y is equal to mx రూపంలోనే ఉన్నాయి. అన్ని రేఖలు ఆది బిందువు గుండానే పోతున్నాయి 0 0. m ధనాత్మకం అయితే y is equal to mx రేఖలు q1 q3 గుండా పాస్ అవుతున్నాయి. m రుణాత్మకం అయితే q2 q4 గుండా పాస్ అవుతున్నాయి. So this is important inference or the main point what we observed from the graph. I think it is clear, children. It is very important question. And now the next question I am moving, and same model means I am skipping, and so next one, it is fourth one I am taking, and which third one which I left, please try to complete the question. So now draw the graph of y minus x equal to 2. Find from the graph the value of y when x equals to 4, the value of x when y equals to -2. Again, whenever if you want to draw the graph, graph sheet is essential, and plotting points is also important. Here I have taken the graph sheet and I am going to take few points I have to. So table I am taking. So children, observe this. Here the question is y minus x is equals to 2. From this, what is the value of y? Minus x upon transposing it becomes equals to 2 plus x. So here I am going to take x value, y is equal to 2 plus x, and finally the point is x comma y. Like the previous one, again I am going to take in the same way, x value -1, 0 and +1. So 2 minus of, sorry, this is y is equal to 2 minus 1, which will be equals to 1. So the point becomes equals to -1 comma 1. And if you take x value 0 here, so y is equals to 2 plus 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. So what is the value of y? 0 comma 2. And x value 1 you can take. Y is equals to 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. So what will be the solution for this? 1 comma 3. Now these are the 3 points. Now we have to plot these points. Before plotting the points, observe x and y values. Their maximum is 3, so that no problem. Light. Yes. Yes, children. Here value, so that on x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit only I am taking. This is 1. This is the scale we have to think of before drawing the graph. 4, 5, 6 and 7. And anyway, this is origin. -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is G1, sorry. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we have very less values, no problem. So few only I am taking. So this is the positive x-axis and this is the negative x-axis, and this is the positive y-axis and this is negative y-axis. And here in the top corner, please write the scale. Here I am not mentioning, but you have to write particularly. So what is the scale? Let us discuss. On x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. That is the scale. Now I am plotting these points. Observe, children. -1, 1. X direction -1. Y direction +1. So this will be the point. Observe carefully. And x value 0 and y value 2. X is 0, y is 2 means this is the point. As we know how to plot the point. And x value 1, y value 3. X is 1, positive direction. Y value 3. This is the point. So now we know this point. This is -1, 1. This is 0, 2. And this is 1, 3. Now what you have to do is, we have to draw the straight line. No doubt at all. Passing through these three, I am going to draw a straight line. Let us observe, children. Here you will get the straight line here. So yes, we have a straight line here. You can observe here. This is the straight line. Yes. Here. Now, after drawing this straight line, it is asked, I am going to write the name here. Y is equals to 2 plus x here. This is. Now, in the question, it is asked to find the value of y when x equals to 4. This is important from this graph. Please observe, children. So, what is the value of y when x equal to 4? Where is x here? Actually, this is 4. So, when x value is 4, what is the corresponding value of y? If you can observe, it is clear. Now, I will show you on the graph. Observe carefully. I am going to take x value 4. So, parallel to y-axis at x equal to 4, touching or intersecting the graph, I am going to draw a line or dotted line. Observe that it is a red color dotted line. I think it is clear. So it is intersecting the graph at this point. Now, at this point, what is the corresponding y value? So let us draw a line here also, where it is intersecting. It is very clear that it is intersecting at. That means if x is equals to 4, correspondingly y will be how much? It is 6 here. So for the first question, the answer is when x is equals to 4, the value of y will be equals to 6. It is concluded from the graph. అంటే గ్రాఫ్ నుంచి మనం కనుక్కున్నాం. అంటే ఇందులో ఏది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయకుండా. సో 4 దగ్గర వర్టికల్ గా ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేసాం. అది ఎక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేయాలి? గ్రాఫ్ ని ఎక్కడైతే ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేసిందో అక్కడ మళ్ళీ హారిజాంటల్ గా లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తే that line intersect y axis. At which value it is intersecting, that is the corresponding value of y for x equal to 4. అంటే x equal to 4 కి corresponding ఉండే y value ఏమవుతుందంటే 6 అన్నమాట. I think it is clear. And one more question it is given, children. Observe carefully. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాడు. The value of x when y equal to -2. y -2 అయినప్పుడు what is the value of x? So here y value is -2 means this point. So here you have to draw the parallel line along the x-axis. Observe, children. Now what is the corresponding x value? So where it intersects. So if you can observe the graph, children, I am going to draw a horizontal line at -2. Observe here. So this is the line here. So this is the line at -2. So it is intersecting at this particular point. Now corresponding x I want. So that here I have to draw the vertical line. So observe that. It is intersecting at -4. Observe this is. So when x is equals to -2, y equals to -2, x value will be equals to -4. So when y is equals to -2, x corresponding value will be equals to -4. That is, likewise, if x equal to 5, what is the corresponding y value? So at 5 we have to draw the vertical line, where it intersects x-axis, there you can draw the horizontal line, then you will get the value of y correspondingly. Not only this, we can able to find for different values. If you drawn the graph sheet a big one, then we can able to, by extending the line ని ఎంత వరకైనా మనం ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆ ప్లేన్ ఎంత వరకు ఉందో అంత వరకు ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. So we can able to calculate the required values. I think it is clear, children, and each and everyone is a not a tough question, I will say that, but different questions, and that too each and every question we have to draw the graph. So must and should, without the graph sheet we cannot able to do all this. So that I think you all have the graph sheets, and after completion of the class I am hoping that you are all are doing in your book also. So we will move to the next question, that is sixth one I am taking. Children, observe carefully. Draw the graph of each of the equations given below and also find the coordinates. Draw the graph of each of the following equations and find the coordinates of the point where the graph cuts the coordinate axis. It is, so where it is cutting the coordinate axis, that points it is asked. So actually here also 4 questions are given. I have selected 2. So if you take all the 4 or something, then it is taking much time. We cannot able to explain even 2 problems also in the complete session of 1 hour. So that 2 questions I have selected in that. So generally I am selecting which are some extent calculation wise stuff. That questions only I am here, I am explaining. And let us go and see the remaining questions what we left. Definitely they are easy and which you can able to complete. So for this again I need the table, so that I am going to draw the table. And first one I am taking again here, the first one, 6x minus 3y is equals to 12. So this is x and this is y, and this is x comma y. So here very important is actually here from this I am writing minus 3y is equals to 12 minus 6x, and from this y will be is equal to 6x minus 12 whole divided by 3. Observe this. Why? Because minus I'm cancelling both sides, then 6x minus 12 whole divided by 3. So y will be is equal to 6x minus 12 whole divided by 3. So children, please observe carefully, and these are all are very important and initial stage of graph, so that you should be very careful and concentrate how we are doing and how I am doing on this, and try to do after completion of the graph. Yes, now again here also, but here if you can observe denominator 3 is there. If you take directly x value 0, no problem. If you take 1 means it is also no problem. So you will get a 3 multiple. So like previous question, I'm going to take x value 0. 6 into 0. What is the one? 0. 0 minus 12. Minus 12. Minus 12 by 3 means minus 4. Directly I'm substituting. So 0 comma minus 4. And next x value 1 I am taking. 6 1 ja 6. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Minus 6 by 3, which is equals to minus 2. So 1 comma minus 2. And x value 2 let us take. 6 2 ja 12. 12 minus 12. Yes, it is 0. So 0 by 3 is 0. So 2 comma 0. This is. So here I'm going to plot the points again. Here we have small values only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is anyway origin 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here positive direction of x-axis, y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. And negative direction of y-axis minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is y dash and this is y. And this is x and this is x dash. And scale is 1 centimeter, 1 unit only. And I am going to take the here. Let us plot the points here first of all. Okay, we will plot at a time. This is. We will take the second one also. Observe the children. Second one. This is 3x plus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. So x and this is y and this is x comma y. Again, here I am calculating y value. This is y value is minus 3x minus 6 by 2. Observe this, minus 3x minus 6 whole divided by 2 will be x value. So now again, like the previous one, x value 0 I am taking, x 0. So this is y is equal to minus 3x minus 6 whole divided by 2. I think it is clear for you. So y I want, so these two I am transposing to right hand side, minus 3x minus 6 whole divided by 2. So x value upon taking 0, minus 3 into 0 is 0. So 0 minus 6 is minus 3. So y is equal to minus 6 by 2, which is minus 3. So the point is 0 comma minus 3. And x value this time, if you take 1, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. That means you are getting fraction. So that I am skipping and I am taking 2 or minus 2. This is 2 I am taking. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 2 into minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 6. How much it will be? Minus 12 by 2 minus 6. Actually in the negative direction of y-axis we have taken up to minus 4 so that instead of taking positive I am changing the points. Let us observe, if you take negative then small values you will get, so that I am taking, so minus 2 let us take, minus 3 into minus 2, this is plus 6, plus 6 minus 6 0, so y value will be equals to 0. So this is minus 2 comma 0. And next minus 4 let us take, minus 3 means again fraction you will get, observe that. Again if you take minus 4, minus 3 into minus 4, this will be plus 12, 12 minus 6, 6 by 2, which will be equals to 3. So minus 4 comma 3. Now I think it is clear. Now the first one points I am plotting, children, once again observe carefully. Yes children, so here the first one is 0 minus 4, x value is 0, y value is minus 4. This is the point, this is the point. And 1 minus 2, x value is 1, y value is minus 2. This is the point. And next 2 0, x value is 2, y value is 0. This is the point. Now I'm going to mention once again this. So here this point is minus 4, sorry, 0 comma minus 4. This is 0 comma minus 4 is this point, and this is 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2, and this is 2 comma 0. Now again we have to draw the scale, by using the scale we have to draw the straight line. Observe children, let us observe here, this is the straight line which will be, so which it is passing through all these 3 points. Is it clear children? Now we are going to complete the second part also. Observe here. So what are the points? 0 comma minus 3. So x value is 0, y value is minus 3. So this is the point. So I'm going to denote. So this is the point, x value 0 minus 3, and minus 2 comma 0. This is minus 2, x value is 0. So this is the point, and minus 4 comma 3. This is minus 4 and this is 3. This is. So we have all the 3 points. This is minus 4 comma 3, and this is minus 2 comma 0, and this is the point we are talking about, 0 comma 3. Now join these 3 points also using the scale. Observe children, here also I'm going. So this is the straight line that you will get. Okay, so now the graph's completed. But if you observe the question, a small extent, one point it is asked to calculate. What is that? After drawing the graph, find the coordinates of the point where the graph cuts the coordinate axis. So this is the graph which it is intersecting the coordinate axis. This is I'm taking likewise. So this is the point. This is one. I'm showing here. This is one. So this line, what is the name of this line actually? 6x minus 3y is equals to 12. Intersect x-axis at 2 comma 0. This is, and y-axis at 0 comma minus 4. I think it is clear. And this is the line. What is this line? 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is the line which it is intersecting x-axis as minus 2 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma minus 3. So those points it is asked to find the value using the graph. So From the graph, it is very clear that where it is intersecting x-axis and where it is intersecting y-axis. అది x-అక్షాన్ని ఏ బిందువు వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంది, y-అక్షాన్ని ఏ బిందువు వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంది అని అడిగాడు. సో 6x - 3y = 12 అనే రేఖ x-అక్షాన్ని 2 0, y-అక్షాన్ని 0, -4. అలాగే 3x + 2y + 6 = 0 రేఖ x-అక్షాన్ని -2, 0 అండ్ y-అక్షాన్ని 0, -3 అనే బిందువుల వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంది. This is another model. So finally, model means drawing the graph is the same only, but finally asking the question in different way. That is, one time the results which these points are passing through which quadrants, or where does it is intersecting x-axis, where does it is intersecting y-axis, like that they will ask the question. I think it is clear, children. So we are moving to the next question, and from now onwards, whatever the questions are there, each and every question is a verbal format of question. Verbal format of question means the thing is it is given in verbal form. So those questions we have to convert in the format of a statements and linear equation. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ని మనం చదివి దాన్ని లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ కింద మార్చుకొని then we have to draw the graph. That is the idea. I think, children, it is clear. So I'm going to read the question. We have time is left, so that let us observe. Razia and Preeti, 2 students of class 9, together collected 1,000 rupees for the Prime Minister Relief Fund for victims of natural calamities. Write a linear equation and draw the graph to depict the statement. Razia, Preeti and iddar students which they are studying 9th class, they collected 1,000 rupees. మొత్తం మీద 1,000 రూపాయలు కలెక్ట్ చేసి ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ రిలీఫ్ ఫండ్ కి, ప్రధానమంత్రి సహాయ నిధికి ఇచ్చారంట. సో ఈ దత్తాంశానికి సరిపడే రేఖీయ సమీకరణాన్ని మనం తయారు చేయాలి. తయారు చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ దాని బిందువులు కనుక్కొని గ్రాఫ్ మీద చూపించాలి. సో here 2 students, here I am going to draw the students. So who are the 2 students? Razia and Preeti. Razia has contributed some amount and Preeti also contributed some amount, but we don't know who contributed how much, but total amount we know. So Razia amount contributed by Razia, amount contributed by Razia. So that I am assuming it as X. So amount contributed by another student is Preeti, that is equal to Y. So only 2 students, and those 2 students together contributed. Total contribution is how much? Total contribution, which is equals to X plus Y. And why? Because she contributed X and she contributed Y together. But as per the problem, that contribution amount will be equal to how much? 1,000. So the total amount will be is equals to X plus Y is equals to 1,000. So this is the actual linear equation in 2 variables. That this linear equation in 2 variables represents the given information. So ప్రధానమంత్రి సహాయ నిధికి కంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసిన అమౌంట్ లో రజియా ఏమో X రూపాయలు కంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసింది అనుకుందాం, అంటే ఇచ్చింది అనుకుందాం. ప్రీతి ఎన్ని రూపాయలు? Y. ఇద్దరు కలిపి ఇచ్చిన మొత్తం సొమ్ము ఎంత? 1,000. So X plus Y will be equals to 1,000. Now our aim is, again, we have to take the points and we have to draw the graphs. So here, so for this, I am going to take the table. So here, X plus Y is equals to, this is 1,000. So what will be the value of Y? 1,000 minus X. Again, like previous, X equal to, this is X and Y is equal to 1,000 minus X, and the value of Y, this is X comma Y. And here, actually, if you take 1, 2, 3, 1,000 minus 1, 999, and graph representation is very, very difficult. So that for convenience, this time in hundreds I am taking. So X value is, and that too amount is never be negative generally, that contribution is. So that I am taking 0 and above only. So 100 I am taking. So what is the value of Y? 1,000 minus 100, which it is equals to 900. So 100 comma 900 is the first solution. And take second value 200, X is. If X is equal to 200, what is the corresponding Y value? 1,000 minus 2, 200, which will be is equals to 800. So which will be, So x is 200 comma 800, and one more value I'm taking 300 this time. So y is equals to 1000 minus 300, which will be is equal to 700. So the point will be 300 comma 700. Now if you can observe the points 100 in hundreds only, so that x value on x-axis 1 centimeter 100 units you have to take, please observe, or more based on that, but here 100 if you can take, that will be convenient. So y also 900 we have, so for the top 100 200 means we will get. So here the scale I am adjusting is very important. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 100 unit, y-axis 100. So let us take the graph here. So here this is I'm denoting here. Observe children quickly, so we have less time. So this is origin, this is 100, this is 200, this is 300, 400, and I have taken the graph likewise. Why? Because it is regarding the amount, never be negative, and that will be completely in the quadrant 1 only. అంటే అదంతా డేటా అంతా క్వాడ్రంట్ 1 కి సంబంధించింది, ఎందుకంటే x and y both are positive is related to quadrant 1. That's why the graph itself I have taken more space for quadrant 1. So this is 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 and 1100. Now same way, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, this is 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000 here. So this is the positive direction of x-axis and this is the negative direction of x-axis. This is y, and x is relating to this is actually, children observe carefully here. Actually I a small mistake here. Okay, so if we can observe the points, this is 100 and 900, this is the point actually, and 200 and 800, this is the point where it is, and this is 317, this is the point, and this is, as we know, that 0 comma 1000, and this is 1000 comma 0, and these are all of the points which lie on this graph only. These are all the points where it is intersecting. So through this is the graph which it is representing. So it is asked to find the same only. So represent these points and draw the graph joining these points, and we know these points, and this is the line. So this line is equals to x plus y is equals to 1000, and the scale, as I mentioned previously, is what is the scale? On x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 100 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter will be equals to again 100 units. I think it is clear. This is x value and this is the y value, and this is the line which it is. But here from next question onwards they will ask the questions based on this also, but here only to this data it is asked to draw the graph only. So I think it is clear, children, and the linear equation that will represent the data is x plus y equal to 1000, and these are the points which satisfy, and we have plotted on this graph sheet, and this is the straight line that is passing through these points. I think it is clear. So this is the graph which depicts the information which it is given in the question. So with this we have time already 5:54, which should be a closing time. Children, once again I am reminding you all, please take the graph sheet and whatever the questions we have practiced and what are the questions which we have left, all the questions you have to do in your graph book. Then only you will get idea. By seeing on this and by knowing this one, we cannot able to do that. So please try to practice on your graph book after completion of this class. I think it is clear. So bye all of you, and practice well, and finally what I will say is stay home and stay safe.
My dear children, sir, my dear children, మన నాయుడు సార్ మ్యాథ్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఒకటి రన్ చేస్తున్నారు. మీరందరూ కూడా దాన్ని తప్పనిసరిగా ప్రతిరోజు చూడండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే 9వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులకి ఈ లెసన్ అయిపోతానే మనలాగే ఇంకొక టీచరు నివేదిత మేడం అని ఒక టీచరు బయాలజీ పాఠాలు చెప్తుంది. సో మీరందరూ కూడా బయాలజీ పాఠాలను చూడాలా అనుకుంటే మీరు నివేదిత మేడం క్లాస్ని చూడాల్సి ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో అప్పుడు మీరు కంప్లీట్గా బయాలజీకి సంబంధించి చాలా కొత్త కొత్త విషయాలు నేర్చుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో మీరు నివేదిత మేడం ఛానల్ చూడాలనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, నివేదిత సైన్స్ ఈజ్ ఇక్కడే మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు 6 గంటలకి ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది చూడండి, సైన్స్ ఈజ్ లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ 9th క్లాస్ ప్లాంట్ టిష్యూస్ పార్ట్ 2. సో దీనికి సంబంధించి మీకు ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఒక క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంటుంది. మీరు కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు సైన్స్ ఇన్ ఈజ్ ఈ ఛానల్ని మీరు చూడగలిగితే మంచి జ్ఞానం వస్తుంది. మీరు ఏ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ అయినా చూడండి, కానీ అంతిమ లక్ష్యం ఏమంటే మా అంతిమ లక్ష్యము మీరు జ్ఞానవంతులు కావాలి అనేదే మా యొక్క అంతిమ లక్ష్యం. అలాగే నాయుడు సార్ ఇంతకు ముందు పెట్టిన మన నాయుడు మ్యాథ్స్ అయినా ఉండేది. యా ఇక్కడ చూడండి, నాయుడు మ్యాథ్స్. నాయుడు సార్ చాలా అందంగా ఉంటాడు సార్. మిమ్మల్ని సినిమా హీరోలా పంపించాల్సింది సార్. సో నాయుడు మ్యాథ్స్ చూడండి, చూస్తున్నారు కదా. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక పెద్దగా ఫోటో కూడా ఉంది, అది కూడా మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఫోటోనే. వీళ్ళందరూ నాయుడు సారు మ్యాథ్ని తింటాడు, మ్యాథ్ని తాగుతాడు, మ్యాథ్తో నిద్రపోతాడు. సో అలాగా ఉంటుంది. సో చూడండి ఇవన్నీ. ఓకే, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ నాయుడు. బెస్ట్ విషెస్ టు మ్యాథ్ లవర్స్ మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఎవరిని మ్యాథ్ ఇష్టపడతారు, ఎవరైతే మ్యాథ్స్ ఇష్టపడతారో వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా నా యొక్క బెస్ట్ విషెస్ ని అందజేస్తున్నాను. సో మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, సో ఇప్పుడు నాయుడు సార్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఛానల్ ఉంటుంది. సో వాటికి సంబంధించి ముఖ్యంగా ఇప్పుడు ఏ యూనిట్ అయితే వాటికి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి, వాటిని చూడండి. అలాగే 6 గంటల కిందాక చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, నివేదిత మేడము 9th క్లాస్ ప్లాంట్ టిష్యూ మీద ఒక మంచి క్లాస్ ఇస్తుంది, దాన్ని కూడా చూడండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్ బాయ్. రేపు మళ్ళీ మార్నింగ్ కలుసుకుందాం. బాయ్, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. Naidu sir, yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, once again all of you have a nice day. Bye.